So we recently worked with Mary from Photos by Mary. She is a Lancaster-based couples and wedding photographer. I absolutely love her style. We also did the branding for her photography business, as well as all of the copy for her website. So this was a total development project from brand to copy to web. Mary's style is, as you can see, super soft and elegant. So we really wanted to bring that through into her website. Now, a lot of Mary's clients are really new to photography. So we wanted this site to feel really easy to use, super comfortable, really calming. So they knew exactly where to look and what to check out before ultimately contacting her. So we made the navigation super simple here across the top, and we also put right up at the top where she serves so that people know right away if she is local to them. One of the things I love is this kind of unique sliding gallery. So we have little arrows on the sides, and then we also have 1, 2, and 3 so that someone can easily kind of sort through some recent work of Mary's. And I love this section here. You should feel comfortable and at ease on your wedding day, even if you've never modeled before. And I think that's super common among photographers working with clients, in that their clients haven't modeled and don't do modeling and feel really uneasy in front of a camera. And Mary, that's really her specialty. She's extremely talented at making people feel comfortable. And we really wanted to display that on her website. So we also have this cute little about intro section that introduces everyone to Mary. And then this is something that I really love to do in copy. So when you are really struggling with identifying who that ideal client is, I just love kind of telling them, hey, this is who I work with. This is my strong suit. So we put this little section that says, "Are you my bride?" And it really describes what Mary's ideal client often does. So they get up early, they grab coffee, they sit outside, they are a very relaxed and calm person. And that's kind of the essence that Mary wanted to bring into the website and into her brand. Then we kind of have this little secondary navigation. So we have read the testimonials, which then flips to show some testimonials here. We have her Instagram widget here on the bottom, so someone can easily get in contact with her on Instagram. Let me take you to her about page. So I love this. We really like to incorporate her photography throughout the site, even when we're not displaying a wedding. So this is just a close-up of a bouquet, and Mary's really known for those detail shots. We have her favorite Bible verse, which is just a way to incorporate a little bit more of Mary into the site. And then this fun little quiz prompt. Again, another snapshot of some of Mary's work. Then we have a little explanation as to what she does, right? Engagement and wedding photography, the areas she serves, and then really how you know if you're going to be right for her. Then we have this fun little sliding gallery that shows off some of her work, some testimonials. We've outlined her process, so what it's like to work with Mary, and then the investment that is involved. Now, I absolutely love Mary's portfolio. It's one of my favorite portfolios that I've done. So first, we kind of just have 6 options. So this really lets someone see a sneak peek into a few different pieces of work that Mary has done without giving someone all of it and getting them overwhelmed. So once they select what gallery they would like to view, it's going to open up this section here at the bottom. Now all of those original gallery options are now displayed on the left. And then we have this really great little slider that lets someone kind of peek through the gallery as a whole. And then they can then select another gallery, which would then appear on the right-hand side. So this is really practical and easy to use and perfect for Mary's clients. And then of course we have the blog, where she is able to blog about her recent sessions. And we've put this cute little sidebar on the right-hand side, just again, showing Mary's face and really making someone feel comfortable so that they are ready to contact Mary. So we absolutely loved building this custom site for Mary on Showit. And of course, we are always happy anytime that we get to be a part of the entire process, from branding to copy to website design.